everybody, well, it is Finley and welcome to another Minecraft Let's Play videos. Today I will be joined with
Hi everyone, it's Rafi
Head.
back here with another more fish video.
No, it's Minecraft.
And we'll be doing a try not to laugh challenge. I hope the audio's okay. Let me just...
Yeah, but do not pause it.
I'm turning it up more.
Okay, yeah, that is lit fine.
Let us do this.
Okay, we're going to be checking out some diamond swords and redstone.
Although there is no webcam, you'll be able to hear if we're laughing or not, so we will play to the rules. Alright, 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Simulate your sin. Relax.
Okay, that was Finn that just laughed, so I've just paused it. But,
yes.
Yeah, he won't laugh that easily in the future, will you, Finn?
Nej.
Relax. I'm scared. I nurture my skin. No, tell her. Hello. Hello. Is it me you're looking for?
Denied.
Oh, dude. You think this coffee is strong?
Oh, God.
Jesus. Look at his eyes!
I think that was very Do you think that coffee's shot? Nah, he's got fake eyes.
That is a fake
Look
eye.
at those goggly eyes.
They're good though. Get wrecked, Snake. Oh! That was... Okay, I've been laughing basically every time, so
Yeah, he's not...
in a piece!
You ever look at someone and
no.
wonder what is going on inside their head?
Seen this one. Seen this one.
Finn!
You don't have to pause it now, just get the video ready. Oh. Pokemon reference.
Oh, God.
Good evening.
What do you... It's a sloth. Sounds like whatever that bought. Oh, this is best meme. Pikachu meme.
Try not to laugh.
Oh jeez. I love this one.
Harry, do you support gay marriage?
Yeah.
So you're saying it's alright me and you get married?
Fuck no.
Come back, I want to marry you.
Get away from me. You're the gay shit.
I'm sorry.
What the hell was that?
Oh, this is good. This one.
Into battle.
Just the ending.
Guys,
Like, oh,
just can't... We can't do it. We can't do
no,
it.
continue, please.
Well, we're not gonna stop it.
I can't remember.
It don't go down.
Robert, it goes down.
No, it don't.
It do go down.
Oh!
Hello, Miss.
Kensington. Hello.
I don't like this one. It's stupid.
What have you ever modeled for me, Mrs. Gilbert?
You know how Mr. Kensington
This one's bad. This is. I don't like it when they edit the video. It's just the old vines, please. That is too good.
Relax, I'll turn on the radio. Would you like ham or food?
I'm trying not to laugh.
What the...
There's
Lord of Tanks skill.
That's what I'm talking about. Wow!
Sounds like Maggie Simpson and the Golem.
Hello?
Yes, who's calling my phone?
It's me.
You have the wrong number. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with y'all? You niggas are crazy.
Alright, shut up, Bella. Wish we could cut that out.
Yeah.
Never mind, we're not skilled, so. This is trombone. seen these all before, I think. Oh no.
Of truth.
Oh yeah, this is.
Immigrants cause cancer. You a Wookiee?
I've done this before. He's just like,
I'm fucking smart.
shish.
Tell me the man's name that starts with the letter K. Kentucky Fried Chicken. I didn't just splatter paint. I was my paint.
This is Bubba, and this is a bean burrito from Taco
I've
Bell.
seen this.
Let's see if Bubba wants a bean burrito. Gonna get it?
Sam Kelby there.
Good boy, Bubba.
That is not good for that dog. Whoa.
Imagine if Zeus did that. Just a 8.
I'm gone.
Come on, you guys. There it is, right there in front of you the whole time. You're de-referencing a no pointer. Open your eyes. Did you eat my tater tots? Rap. Oh. Keep them. I'm not a rapper, I'm an adapter.
Eminem, that's right.
Eminem's alright. He's better than the other rappers.
Stormzy.
Fuck iPhone.
Good sir.
Move your mouse from the screen.
Oh, this one's good for me.
Hello.
Oh, you don't give a dog like that. I've seen
That
this.
was
This is
a
so good. This is so good.
I'll do this with my hands. I'm a happy man.
I've seen this actually in advert.
Movie magic.
I quit. I quit.
He quit there ages ago.
Yeah, good point. So boring, this stuff.
Beats.
That's so fate. God. That is just disgusting. Oh.
I still remember the other one.
Should we pause at 10 minutes?
Oh!
Thank you.
Oh my goodness.
Look at those corgis. It's just so cute.
Oh,
Oh.
don't go not dead.
Oh no, my favourite song.
What the fuck is this piece of shit?
That's what I think when I see modern houses. I'm joking.
Why?
It's when you're too lazy to move. Oh, I'm so sad for the rabbit. Oh, that is so cute.
Yes, my dudes.
That's what fairy tale sounds like. Any anime I've watched. Oh, so cute.
Amazing.
So stupid! Fuck
Now, if
you!
you've ever watched Walking with the Wild, you'll know the mating pool is. Alan? Alan? Oh, jeez.
That's not enough
Oh,
time.
don't have to be scared.
There's always time for a song.
Oh no.
Should we pause at 11 minutes if you like? Actually, nah. We'll just flip the end of the video.
Look at this graph!
Such a bad move.
Oh no, it's not good. Do another way.
No, end this video if you want to watch the end.
Now it's getting bad now. Alright then. Thank you for watching, everyone.
Quality copy. I mean, good
Quality
original
copyright,
content. Okay.
please.
Should I pause the video?
Yes.